and gentlemen, parents, teachers, and our young and curious minds, welcome to a special interview session today. We have a remarkable guest with us, someone who is not only breaking age barriers but also shattering stereotypes. Today, we are delighted to host a young and incredibly talented author, Shaivya Gupta, a fourth grade student from GD Goenica School, Gurgaon. She has written a fantastic book titled Willpower. You can grab a copy of the book, and the link of the book is given in the description box below. Now, let's dive into the world of this extraordinary young author and discover the inspiration behind her incredible creation. Welcome, Shaivya, and tell me a little bit about yourself, please.
I am Shaivya, a student of GD Goenka Public School in class 4th A. Some of my hobbies are singing, cycling, playing piano and reading storybooks.
Okay, wow, that's great. So, what kind of storybooks you like? You like adventure, comic, tragedy, any kind of storybooks or fairy tales? What kind of storybooks?
I love storybooks like adventure books and a little funny type of book.
Oh, wow, that's great. Very nice. Okay. Next question is writing a book is definitely a big accomplishment. So, how did you come up with so many interesting ideas for your book?
In my free time, I like to read storybooks or see stories on YouTube. Whenever the story finishes, I love to think that what should happen next or what could happen to make it better.
Wow.
This helped me a lot to improve my imagination.
Okay.
My imagination, I got so many ideas to write book.
Okay, that's great. Super. Okay. Now, your book name is Willpower, and Willpower is such a catchy title. So, how did you decide the name and what does it mean to you?
Willpower is important to achieve anything in our life.
Okay.
In my first story in my book, I noticed that it was based on willpower. After that, I noticed in many of my stories, they were based on willpower. My parents also gave me some ideas for the title, but I thought Willpower will be the best title.
Okay, that's great. So, who supported you more, your mummy, your father?
My mother supported me.
Oh, wow. So, you love your mother a lot?
Yes.
Wow. What's her name?
Her name is Shivangi.
Shivangi. Okay, that's great. So you love your mother, and do you do something, special for her also, like on her birthdays or anything like that?
Yes.
What? Can you share something?
I gave her gift.
Oh, wow. What kind of gifts have you given her?
I have given like t-shirts, shoes, and like that type of gifts I have given.
Wow. Nice. So proud of you. Okay. So my next question is, what's your favorite food, Shaivya?
My favorite food is biryani cooked by my mom.
Wow. Veg biryani or non-veg biryani?
Veg biryani.
Wow. So even I love biryani, and it's really tasty, but I cook myself. So obviously after this interview, I'm going to ask your mother how she cooks biryani, because if you like, obviously she must be cooking it very nicely, right?
Yes, it is not spicy at all.
Oh, wow, that's great. Even I don't like the spicy food. Same. Okay. So who is your favorite teacher in the school, and what do you like about him or her?
All the teachers in my school are my favorite.
Okay.
All teachers like me.
Okay.
Especially my class teacher, Swati ma'am. She teaches us math.
Okay. And what is your favorite subject? Like, you like maths, English, which subject?
I love math.
Love maths. So you write stories. It means you have an inclination towards English also, and you love maths also. So superb. I think you are a very diversified person. I'm very glad to meet you. Okay. Next. So let's talk something funny. Suppose there is a donkey, and a donkey had a social media account. So what do you think? What kind of funny post do you think it would share with its followers?
He would share that There's a movie of my name in which Shah Rukh Khan is there. He would post his happiness everywhere in the social media.
Okay. Okay, that's so funny. Okay, so last question of this interview. Any message you want to give to our audience, Shaivya?
Yes.
Tell me.
If you want to be an author, just you need to do two things. Read storybooks and improve your imagination.
Okay, that's great. That's really great, message you have put forward for our audience. So, improving your imagination. Yes, you need to visualize better. You need to work on your creativity. Super. Okay. So, guys, it's time to wrap up the session. And Willpower is just not a book, it's a testament to the boundless creativity and determination that young minds can unleash upon the world. Shaivya, thank you for sharing your story and reminding us that inspiration knows no age. And to our viewers, stay tuned for more inspiring stories, more inspiring interviews with such kiddos. And don't forget to grab a copy of this Willpower book, and which is available at Bookalooza's bookstore. And the link of the book is given in the description box. So do check this out. And till next time, keep reading, keep enjoying life. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shaivya. Thank you. Bye bye.